Let's learn how you can extract audio from video on iPhone. So for this tutorial we will use shortcut method, and without any delay let us start by opening our shortcuts application first. Now when you're here you will have to add new shortcut, so let's tap on this plus sign in top right corner. This will open shortcut creation menu. Now we can rename it and we can leave it like this. For example, let's put it on audio. Now, before we add an action, you will have to click on this eye icon that's blue on bottom middle, and it will open some menu. You'll just have to select on show in share sheet option and click done. Now click on images on 18 more and click on clear, then select only media because we want to extract only from videos audio, and then click done. Now click on new action and type in code media. Select the first one and make it audio only, and you can now choose what format you want and what speed of audio you want to set. And for last we'll just have to type in save file action, so it saves the media we extracted from the video. Now click on done and your shortcut will be created. Now if you want to see how it works, go to photos and select some random video you want to save audio from. Click on this share icon and just scroll down until you find your shortcut. Mine is here, and now it will open files and ask you where you want to save this file. So choose the place where you want to save,